A flare-up feels like an emergency. But what you do in the next 24 hours decides whether this lasts 2 days or 2 weeks. Here is exactly what to do, hour by hour. The short version, 4 moves. 1. Stop the irritation. No straining, no long toilet sits, no rough wiping. 2. Calm the swelling. A 15-minute warm sitz bath 2 to 3 times today. 3. Keep stool soft. Water and fiber starting right now because your next bowel movement is the biggest risk of making this worse. 4. Use a cold compress for sharp pain, 10 minutes at a time. That is the first 24 hours in 4 moves. Now here is why each one works, and the mistakes that stretch a flare into weeks. A flare-up is a swollen vein under pressure. Everyone has hemorrhoid tissue. A flare happens when the blood vessels in that tissue swell, stretch, and get irritated. Once that starts, every bit of pressure you add keeps the cycle going. Straining on the toilet spikes pressure straight onto the swollen vein. Sitting and scrolling lets everything pool and swell more. Hard, dry stool scrapes tissue that is already inflamed. Aggressive wiping does the same from the outside. So the first 24 hours are about one thing. Take pressure and friction off a vein that is already at its limit. The warm sitz bath relaxes the muscles around the area and improves blood flow, so swelling can drain. Cold compresses numb sharp pain and pulls swelling down. Water and fiber make the next bowel movement pass without a fight, and getting off the toilet fast, under a few minutes, stops the pooling that keeps the vein engorged. Hour by hour, it looks like this. Right now, sitz bath number 1, start drinking water. Midday, cold compress if pain is sharp and clean with water or an unscented wipe instead of dry paper. Evening, sitz bath number 2, and a fiber-forward dinner. Before bed, the last sitz bath. If you sleep on your side, that takes pressure off the area overnight. Creams and baths work on the surface. A flare starts in the weakened vessels underneath, and that is the layer surface products never reach. So here is the honest product fit. For surface comfort, HemRid lidocaine cream gives short-term numbing support for external pain and itch. For the bigger pattern, the recurring flares that keep coming back, HemRid Max is built for long-term recurring discomfort support. And if you have both, the complete care bundle covers inside and outside in one routine. This is product fit guidance, not a diagnosis and not a promise of a medical outcome. 3 mistakes turn a 48-hour flare into a 2-week problem. Mistake 1. Treating the toilet like a waiting room. If nothing happens in a few minutes, get up. Straining and sitting are the 2 biggest pressure sources, and they are both habits you control today. Mistake 2. Over-scrubbing. When the area is irritated, people clean harder. Dry paper plus scrubbing on inflamed tissue is like rubbing sandpaper on a sunburn. Rinse with water, pat dry, done. Mistake 3. Numbing and ignoring. A cream that numbs the pain can make you feel fine enough to go back to the exact habits that caused the flare. Heavy lifting, long sits, skipping water. The pain went quiet, but the swollen vein did not. Use relief products to stay comfortable while you fix the pressure problem, not instead of fixing it. One more thing on food for the next 24 hours. Skip alcohol and go easy on spicy food. Both can irritate things on the way out, and today is not the day to test it. One thing matters more than any product. Some symptoms are a signal to stop and get help. Talk with a healthcare professional if you have heavy or persistent bleeding, severe pain, fever, new bowel changes, black stool, a hard painful lump, or symptoms that are getting worse or not improving in about a week. So here is your first 24 hours. Take the pressure off, calm the swelling, keep stool soft, and use cold for sharp pain. If your main need right now is short-term comfort for pain or itch, HemRid lidocaine cream is linked in the description. And if you are not sure what keeps triggering your flare-ups, use the HemRid checklist linked below to spot your common triggers and compare relief options. Subscribe for straight answers on hemorrhoid relief, and I will see you in the next one.